Hey, hi Coda.
Hi.
Walter's Outdoor Adventures. Today, September 17th, and we have come up a week early from deer hunting to set up deer camp. So we got our tent saved in our spot. Even Coda Talon came up to help me put the tent up. And even Tia came along for the ride. Can you see her inside there? There she is. She even came up for a ride. Oh, we're getting excited. Only 1 week away from the deer hunt. We came up here about an hour ago, 4 o'clock, and we've already seen 3 doe. So every time we come up here, we see deer. So we're gonna see if we can find a buck up here. 1 more week. All right, everybody, here we are. September 24th, the day before the muzzleloader opens. Here's our deer camp up Graveyard Flat. It's actually a pretty nice camp. Poppy's got a huge tent, huge mattress, and we've got that little tent in the back. I think we'll be okay. It'll be fun. I think as of now we're the only ones up here, so it's gonna be kind of nice. We've already seen a deer already on the way up. Mal and Coda are playing war.
That's why he's winning. Boom, baby.
Coda's winning. And our Hummer made it up with everything packed on top of it. We should have taken a picture with all the stuff on top. We're ready.
On our first day camp, well, not my basically first day camping, we helped Poppy set up his tent, and his tent was a family tent, and he had a queen-sized bed. Aunt Val came with us, and we set up her hammock, and he fell, and everybody laughed at her. I was the first one to see something, and it was a bull elk. And it is a 6-point bull elk. We are now by the fire at night cooking marshmallows and hot dogs too. And 5 minutes later, we were getting cold and also sleepy too. And since what, it's only 8 o'clock and it's dark. Can you believe that? Now we are getting ready for tomorrow.
Here we are, day 2 of the deer hunt. We left Graveyard Valley because we just weren't seeing any bucks. We saw lots of doe, but no bucks. So we switched it up and have come out to Diamond Fork, up Sheep Creek, and this is the hillside that we're gonna watch tonight. Coda says we should call it, what should we call it, Coda?
Cow Valley.
Cow Valley. Because of all the cows in here.
You can see that there's...
But hopefully we'll get lucky and see a deer out there somewhere. See a buck. We need to shoot a buck. We've seen lots of deer. Maybe we'll get lucky.
Yeah, that deer can't smell us. Alright. And do you know what else to sleep before we went to sleep? We told stories, then sleep. Next day, day 2, open season. It's 4 o'clock in the morning, or is it spelling morning? I don't know. Anyway, we are in our tents and we and me and Val are awake, and Dad also Poppy are asleep, and I'm bored to death.